Welcome to another Changedom experience. This is Reginal here with another Changedom creation. And what we're going to do today is rephrase some popular phrases. One of the most popular phrases that people go on and like to quote is fake it till you make it. This suggests that you imitate confidence. And imitation is a great way of flattery. However, there's nothing like the real thing. So another popular phrase that people like to use is faith it till you make it. And this is having trust in God or the universe without suggesting being an imposter. Well, consider this. Faith can't save you. According to James 2:14 through 26. Today's Changedom creation, this is going to be a spotlight on our popular phrases. So I like to remix it and say face it, trill, you make it. Confidence to be true and real to yourself while acknowledging what it is you're creating. Change your creation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. First thing I'm going to do is show you. So this is going to be our design. It's 4x9. It's going to go on a red shirt so you can see it. This is what it'll look like. Again, this is going to be our design. So what we're going to do is go ahead and send it to the Silhouette Cameo 3. First thing we're going to do is flip it horizontally. And then we're going to turn it upright so it fits the page. Go ahead and send it. Changedom creation. Trill you. Let's go. Now that we have our design all cut out, this is what it looks like. Now for the magic. What we're doing is waiting for the heat press to get to the correct temperature, so that way we can press the material onto the shirt and get a good product. Before we put the material onto the shirt, we're going to get all the moisture out of the shirt by pressing it for, say, 5 seconds or so. Sounds like our heat press is ready. Here's our heat transfer sheet. Put that on there so the shirt doesn't burn. Press it for a good 5 seconds. Right. Got our heat transfer sheet off. Now to align our design. Alright, so our line, we're going to go ahead and put our heat transfer sheet on here. We're going to press it for a full 20 seconds. Starting now. Again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the Changedom experience. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit me up if you need a design. All my information is in the About section. This is a hot peel, so we're going to go ahead and peel this off right fast. Nice. Then we're going to make another press just to make sure that the design is into the shirt. for another 20 seconds. 20 seconds is set. Turn the timer off. Turn the heat press off. And it's ready. Thanks for hanging out with me. Changedom peeps. This is Reginal here at the Changedom Experience. Please tune in next month and be great.